My boy Chris Kingham. Is 250 Racing Edition Honda. Lost his hat coming down the trail here. This is his backyard. We made some extra trails out here. The badass little four-wheeler. Boy's gone. 5-speed. Clutch on it's real touchy. Real nice little ATV. Here my motherfucking comes with his headlight on. The motherfucker's flying. Don't look like it in the video, but he's gone. Woo! Lost control. Yeah!
My tire's stuck on the front.
He's got brand new back tires. Front tires need to be replaced. Oh, almost lost it there. Almost lost it there. Actually, he did lose it.
That's how you catch yourself right there.
Oh, you ran all over the logs that he just cut with the chainsaw over there.
Fuck with me, bitches.
Yeah,
Nah,
nigga.
my front tires suck ass on that. I got new back tires, ITP Racing, Sport Racing.
Yeah, they got nice little treads on them.
ITP SR for Sport Racing. Whole shot. Hell yeah.
Nice little ATV right
Running
here.
premium high test gas in it. Fuck. Oh, there we go.
This bitch will run forever on a tank of gas.
Hell yeah.
Check this bitch out.
I just filled that up like, what, Monday?
Yeah, we've been... Dude, I just put a cigarette there. That's not gonna, you know, catch on fire.
Fuck. Hair all sticking up, look. From fucking riding and shit. Alright. Peace out, CJ.
What's good?
Yeah.